are you today?
I'm super.
I'm glad to hear you see. Sit down, please. Let's begin our lesson. Who is on duty today?
I don't speak today.
Who is absent?
All present.
Sit down, please. Guys, answer these questions. What day is it today?
It is Thursday.
Okay, sit down, please. How is the weather like today?
It is cold. Sunday.
Okay. What month is it now, Madina?
It is February.
Okay. Guys, let's do warm up. Warm up, be proud of who are you. Яғни мен өзіммен мақтанатты серпінту сәтін жасаймыз. Ең алдымен не істеу керек? Look in the mirror and choose a sticker that shows who you are thinking and then stick it. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes.
Rana, come here. Come here. Look in the mirror. Read.
I'm confident.
Okay. Stick it, please. Next, Alina, come here. Look in the mirror.
I am beautiful.
Okay. Good job. Stick it, please. Latiza, come here. Look.
I am confident.
Okay. Next, Janet. Look. Read. Janet. Read. Okay. Sit down, please. Janet. Look in the mirror, guys. Choose a sticker.
I'm happy.
Stick it, please. Madina, come here. Look in the mirror. I'm happy. Sit down, please. Susan, look in the mirror. Please. Stick it.
I'm
Careful, yes? Okay. Camila, come here. I'm beautiful. Okay, good job. Mirija, come here. Look in the mirror. Look. I'm important. Stick it, please. Okay. Good job, guys. Next, let's divide into groups. Come to me, guys. Come to me. Open. Choose a flash drive and open it. Okay? Come here. Come here. Open it, and you will put it. Sit down, please. Group number 1, sit there. Group number 2, sit there. Here. Sit down, please. Guys, I will give a picture of a battery. Яғни бағалау. Осыған бағалаймыз. We have 5 tasks, guys. We have 5 tasks. Each words 2 points. Яғни бізде 5 тапсырма, 2 балдан. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes.
Next, guess the title of the lesson. Guys, look in the picture. What can you see, guys? Amina?
It is tornado.
Okay. Is a tornado dangerous?
Yes, it is very dangerous.
Okay. Would you like to see a tornado in real life? No, Susan?
No, I want. It is very dangerous.
Okay. Guys, today we're going to read text about a man and a tornado. Lesson title: The Man Who Wrote a Tornado. Translate in Kazakh, guys. Okay. Next. Open your vocabulary. Write these new words. Guys, repeat after me. Trailer,
Trailer,
geyser,
geyser,
rain,
rain,
heavily,
heavily,
strong winds,
strong winds,
blow,
blow,
against, shake,
shake,
in all directions,
in all directions,
terrified,
terrified,
lift, off his feet,
off his feet,
collapse, lie, realize, nature, rub, in pieces, escape, on record, distance. Right? Do you have finished it?
yes,
Okay. Next. Next.
The Man Who Rode a Tornado. Matt Soup, 18-year-old school student from southwest Missouri in the USA. He was visiting his grandmother in her trailer when something terrible happened. A powerful tornado ripped his grandmother's home apart. They had ignored tornado warnings and were chatting inside the trailer. Suddenly, they heard a roaring sound moving through the nearby trees.
It got louder and louder. It was like 10 airplanes around us.
Suter said. The next thing he knew, the walls, floors, and ceiling were moving, and the floor started shaking like jelly. The front and back doors suddenly blew away. Furniture was moving around in all directions. A heavy lamp swung into Suter's head and cut him. The tornado picked Suter up and carried him out of the trailer. It finally dropped him in a soft, grassy field. An official from the National Weather Service actually measured how far Suter had traveled. It was a record-breaking 400 meters. Suter woke up in the grassy field and realized what had happened. He didn't know if his grandmother was alive. Lightning lit up the countryside. He ran towards his neighbor's house. Amazingly, apart from a cut on his head and a few small cuts and bruises on his body, Matt was okay. His neighbor wrapped him in a blanket and drove him back to the trailer. His grandma had survived the tornado, but the trailer was in pieces. But she was just delighted to see Matt again. She hadn't expected him to survive. Matt was lucky to escape with his life. No other person has traveled that far and lived to tell the tale. He said of his frightening experience,
I had always wanted to see a tornado, but I definitely didn't want to be in one.
Guys, task number 1. Answer these questions. What is the title of the text, guys? What is it? What is the title? Title? What is it?
The text, the man who wrote a tornado.
Okay. Who is the text about? What is it?
It is text about one soldier.
Okay. How old is Matt? London? Alina?
He is 19 years old.
Okay. What is the reason was at first?
Yes, it was.
Okay. Next. Don't forget to mark your points, guys. Don't forget to mark your points. Don't forget to mark your points, guys. Where was Matt?
He was in his grandmother's trailer.
Okay. Next. Don't forget to mark your points, guys. Task number 2. Next task. Read the text again and then choose true, false, and the doesn't say statement. Guys, егер сөйлем дұрыс болса true қоямыз, жалған болса false, немесе ондай сөйлем еш жерде айтылмайтын болса doesn't say. Open your copybook, write these sentences, guys, and then choose one statement. Choose one statement, true, false, and it doesn't say. Quickly, guys. Guys, check. One sentences. False. It's true?
Yes.
Two? False. Three, number 3, false. Number 4?
Doesn't say.
Doesn't say. Number 5?
True.
Number 6?
Doesn't say.
Okay. Don't forget to your points, guys. Read the text again and define. 4 phrases describing weather. Points.
The weather was nice.
Okay. 4 verbs related to tornado activity. Jamek.
Moving, shaking, blaming, throwing.
Okay. 2 nouns for injuries. The season.
For good boys.
Okay. 2 adjectives describing feelings.
Strong winds and word block.
Okay. Don't forget to your points, guys. Next task, do the quiz, guys. Who wants? Jungle, come here. Read question, please.
What is a tornado?
A strong wind storm with.
No shattered clothes.
Next, sit down, please. Good job. Who wants? Alina, come here. Read question and then read answer, please.
What season do tornadoes happen?
Answer. Fall and the spring. Spring and the summer. Next. Who wants? Nastasia, come here.
When a saw tornadoes happen. Is tornado alley?
Okay. Sit down, please. Runner, come here. Great question, please. Come here.
Who don't know if there is a tornado?
TV.
With hills, buttons, and
Sit down, please. Who wants? Yerike, come here. Yerike. Great question, please. Okay. Maria? Do you go during a tornado? Here. Oh. Well done. Who wants Camila? Come here. Great question, please.
what does mother need
Answer. Good job. Who wants? Ramek, come here.
During a tornado, you can see.
You can see. Lighting and then green. Next, Margina, come here. Green questions, please.
Tornado is sound like a
tree. Sounds деген дыбыс табады, иә? Next, who wants? Susan, come here. What is another name for tornadoes? Come here.
is the name for
Tornadoes. Earthquake. Funnel clouds. Don't forget your points, guys. Don't forget. One mistake, 1 point. No mistake, 2 points. Guys, next task, complete the newspaper headlines. Use words. Blur, collapse, tell, strong shapes, surveillance, and escapes. Complete the sentences, guys. Group work. Group number 2, come here. Come here. Susan, come here. Martina, read please.
Two people like to tell their story. Ron Strauch reads Blow a Train of Fright. Music. Collects the rank tornado. I visited the Japan tsunami. Man escapes disasters after group collects the earthquake shakes buildings in Tokyo.
1 minute. 1 minute. Check in. Tell, strong, blue, collects, surveyed, escapes, shakes. Okay, good job. Group number 1, come here. Come here, guys. Read, please. Sit down, please, guys.
Two people needed to tell the story. Two strong winds blow train off bridge. Buildings hold darting tornado. I survived the Japanese tsunami. Main escapes disaster after roof collapses, earthquake shakes buildings in top.
Check please. 1. Terror. Storms will blow. Escapes. Check. Good job, guys. Don't forget to mark your points, guys. One mistake, 1 point. No mistake, 2 points. Guys, don't forget your points. Okay? Do you understand? Open your diary. Write context, guys. Choose one task. Number 1, write 5 and 6 sentences retelling the story. Number 2, write 3 safety rules for tornadoes. Number 3, draw a scene from the story and label it. Choose one task, please. Okay? Do you understand? Right? Okay. Guys, come to me. Sit down, please. I will give a sticker. Please write name. Guys, write name and stick it. Okay? Karangız. Great, I understand and I can explain it to others. Яғни сабақ қалай қолданылады? Мен бәрін түсіндім, және мен өзгелерге түсіндіре аламын. Good, I get it. Жақсы. Not so good, I need some help. Жақсы емес, маған көмек қажет. Guys, come to me and stick it, please. Sit down, please. Okay. Give me picture of battery. Sit down, please, Melike. Right name. The lesson is over. Goodbye.